Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro ginigilongi khubor bam de kasni. Bah A.L hek MLA kapenthor umkra constituency ula Thoh Shithi sho Myntri rangba kajila Chhattisgarh Ushri Vishnu Diosai ban penpau ya kajing sngokya halor kajing shakam arngut ki sister Catholic hakte kajila. Hagashithi uba hek ula ong ba kajingkem yakini ki reunion Catholic kalong kajing pen kulmar bar kajing bo bamshngan yaki brio ki batray na kamta ka roy kapar bad kabha kamya jong ka imlang salang. Khamtam hakilyang ka puli puthi bar ka kot ka khya. Ula kentu ya ka sarkar Chhattisgarh bakanne AA mador bat to kit bnya yakane ka jingja baladakim don kanu ka comes new day ban palat no mador yaki. Omday ban khen ben yaki religious sisters tang na mar ka jingen kine ki long ki batray shitom hakithan ba jangai jong kari bar ki de ban yo yakahong ong uba hek ha ka shithi jong u. Kani ka jingkem bala penmi ki jing sngokya haki kenhun yam hame khalaya kabalong ru kajila kabadan kajingede kabajan bat kanyam Catholic.
Minister of Chhattisgarh, Shri Vishnu Diosai. I had requested him and also I've told him that I'm sending you a letter to you, sir, for the immediate release of the two Catholic nuns which were arrested on the 25th July 2025 from the Durg railway stations based on a complaint by the Bajrangdar. So the Honorable Chief Minister, he is very, very happy, and also they told me he will be taking all the positive steps and immediately to release soon to those two nuns. That is assurance given by the Honorable Chief Minister. So today only I am already sending this letter to Honorable Chief Minister as discussed with him to immediate release of these two Catholic nuns. Arrested, what is the issue? I do not be able to tell you anything, but it is my responsibility and duty. I have already written a letter to Honorable Chief Minister. I've also discussed with the have I talked with the Honorable Chief Minister. He had assured me also that we will be release them very soon. People, I'm concerned only. I'm a BJP minister and I'm also a human being. So the human being should be given justice. That's all only I know.
When they were arrested.
According to the press notes, the press news, they went to the DURG Durg railway station of Chhattisgarh to I don't know for what reason they're going to picked up somebody or to go by themselves or only, but we know only that is which is already there in the news.
That's been happening under the BJP-led governments elsewhere also in the country. What is the reason for this? Is it there is a hate against some community?
No, that is, you have to be first find the fact. We cannot blame anybody like that. Even we are also here, we are running the government with the BJP only. So cannot be blamed like that, no. We are also here with BJP government. So how you will blame me like that? So that is my duty as a BJP MLA and also the National Executive Member of BJP to raise the voice of the vulnerable society. That's all only.
What is the response from the CM of?
He has assured me, the CM has assured me they will be released soon. Say for the big community but this is done by some individual. We cannot blame the entire community, we cannot blame the entire state, we cannot blame the entire society because of two of the incident happened by two person. We cannot be blamed the entire community.
But do you think?
But some of the activities from there. I'm not blaming the entire organization. Why should we blame the entire organization? If somebody doing here, somebody happening in Meghalaya, any Khasi doing, mean all the Khasi are doing the same. That is cannot be possible, no. They cannot be blamed like that, no. Two people are there who are creating this kind of, the hatred in the society, but not as the organization. I am blaming only those persons those who are doing this. We are first born as human being. Then we are born in the Khasi society or Jandia society or Garo or any Indian society. But first we are born as human being. Then later we become any religion, my personal choice to go with which faith to follow. So those are follow the Christianity. It is good for those people, those who want to follow the Hindu faith. They are good for them. Or those who want to follow the Muslim faith is good to them. That is the choice of the individual. We cannot force anybody.